So, hello.
What? I'm Shanmugha. Who is that? Oh, today I'm busy. I will come tomorrow.
I want to live my life and I want to enjoy my life. I want to live alone. I lost my father the money. I don't listen my parents' words. Father, I want the share of property that belongs to me. What happened to my son? Are you serious, my brother? Yes, I am serious.
Why do you want my son? You should not ask like that. We are giving everything to you. Do you have any problem with this?
Yes, I can't stay with you. I want to enjoy my life. Our parents are taking care of us. They are providing everything for us. Why do you have to take this decision? Because I can't live with you. I want to enjoy my life.
Don't you have respect on elders? You should not say bad answers to parents. You should obey parents, teachers, and elders.
As I miss myself, servants give you money. Hello friend, where are you?
Here I am. Where you got me?
I brought money from my father. This money is for us. We can go anywhere. We can buy anything.
You can enjoy this so much. Let us have fun.
The youngest condition. He even studying for phone and shelter. On seeing his condition, he soon realized his mistake.
There is no money. Do you have money?
Sorry, I can't help you.
Excuse me, madam. Good morning. Do you have any work to do?
Hey, hello. Who are you? What do you want? Why are you standing here?
Madam, since from so many days there is no to eat, madam. Do you have any work to do?
There is no food here. You can go back.
Madam, please give me some work to do, madam.
There is no work here. You better to go from here.
Madam, there is no food to eat, madam. Please give me food.
Hey, have you seen their face? They are looking like a mad fellow.
Please, madam.
Hey, go away. Hey, don't come here.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Good morning. Do you have any work to do?
No, I don't have any work.
Sir, please, sir, give me some work to do. There is no food to eat. So, I'm so many days, sir. Please give me some work to do.
I don't have any work.
Sir, please, sir, give me some work to do.
I have some work, but I can't give for you.
Sir, I will do that work, sir. Please give me.
Else, I need someone to go out into my fields and take my pigs. You must take them, but you may not eat any of their food. Take this food and you eat it. Take this food, give to pigs.
No, I can't stay alone. I want to go back to my father. I want to go back to my father. I spoiled my life. Father, son, you are. What, son? Father, I sinned against you. I am not longer than worthy is called yours. Son, you always with me and all than many yours. I am so happy you came back. Let's celebrate this day.